Hey guys, welcome to another What I Eat in a Day video. Today I'll be showing you some easy to make recipes that I use all the time. So without further ado, let's get started. For breakfast, here's an easy green smoothie recipe that I'm obsessed with recently. The ingredients are bananas, barley grass powder, maca powder, and soy milk. Peel the bananas and break them into pieces. Then add in 1 teaspoon of maca powder and 1 pack of barley grass powder and 1.5 cup of soy milk. Blend it up. Lastly, top it off with whatever you like. In my case, it was some coconut shred. And about an hour later, I had a coffee. I like to froth my soy milk first with a hand mixer. Once done, it should be double in size, fluffy and foamy like this one here. And then I just add it in the coffee. Well, I like my coffee to be simple. Moving on to lunch, I'll show you how to make this chickpea mayo rice balls aka onigiri. First, cook 2 to 3 cups of any rice of your choice. Then grab a bowl, drain some cooked chickpeas, add in the vegan mayo, a pinch of salt, and mash them up with a fork. And next you will need some Nori Sheets and some sesame seeds. Then fill a larger bowl with some water. Damp your hand before you make the rice balls. Grab some rice with your hands or using a spatula. Flat it a little bit. Add in the chickpea filling. Squeeze with your hands to form the rice ball shape. Just like what I'm doing here. And repeat. Sprinkle some sesame seeds evenly, then wrap them up with Nori Sheets. And here you have it. For dinner, I had this tofu sandwich. First, cut up half a block of tofu into slices, fry them on medium-high heat, until golden brown on both sides. Meanwhile, prepare other ingredients. Cut up the bread of your choice, toast it if you like, and wash some leafy greens. Slice up some veggies like radish and bell pepper. And now all you need to do is to spread out some sauce and assemble your sandwich. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like. Let me know if you try these recipes on Instagram or comment down below. I'll see you soon. Bye!